Hello everybody, it's Scott from Got Green Magnet Fishing here today. It's a beautiful sunny day. I am out here with Rusty Relic and Gramps is grumpy. So we got Glenn, which is Rusty Relic, and Gramps is grumpy is Rick, as you all should probably know. Beautiful day. We're gonna have everything all hooked up. Get these magnets in the water. Let's go find something interesting. The rope's not all undone, but I'll undo it. I did get a loonie, Canadian dollar right there. Pretty rusted, so it's been there a minute. I think that's what that is. Try it out and clean it up later. Some nails or staples. Piece of chain link, washer. Oops, yeah, see that flew right back to the magnet. Alright, we don't care about the rocks, right? Interesting. So far, not really. Some nails. Yeah, that's about it. Some nails. Oh my, still looks like another empty magnet here, guys. Well, small piece there. Rock. Yeah, a leaf, we don't need it. Nothing interesting. Oh, wait, there's a dime. We got some money. There's a dime. All right. Any more money? No. Sweet. Right? That'd be funny. Yes. Yeah. So we got some rocks, a little chunks of metal here, some leaves, but spar here, nails. That's it. Let's see. Oh, we got a full magnet, guys. Piece of chain. Yeah, nice size chain. Nice size bolt, or nut, I mean. So nut there. Some type of rod, wire rod here. Another one there. Another one there. Pretty good, pretty good. All right. All right. Oh, nice size rock. Couple more rocks. Little wire there, nail, tin. Not much. Not much. Well, we got some salad and some nails. Little pieces here and there. Yeah, keep it up though, right? Let's get her all cleaned up, guys. Let's get her all cleaned up. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave me a comment. Thank you. Oh, looks like we got a little bit more stuff this time. Hey, oh, this piece just hanging around. Yeah, that looks like a blade right there, maybe. Piece of pipe. There's a nut. Some nails. Yeah, that's a good haul. That's a good haul. Salad, let's get rid of that first. Oh, I got something interesting there, isn't that? All right. Oh, that's more salad. Huh. Oh, part of a fishing lure. Well, that's interesting. That is like for a pulley or something, I believe. We don't need the rocks. Piece of a fishing lure. Piece of fishing line and stuff right there. Yeah. Well, it's all good to come out of the water, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Nails. Nails. Yeah. This steel plate here, this rod. Part of a square nail. Type of ring. Yeah, that's it. Nothing too exciting, unfortunately. What do we got? We got some salad. We got a square washer, some big nails. That's all kinds of fishing line or something there. There's a little sinker. Couple more nails. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Just coming out of the water. Getting her all cleaned up. See what we got. It feels a little heavy. Bringing me to the wall. Oh, look at that. Couple big bolts. Oh. Don't need that. That's the size of that big bolt there. That's nice. Oh yeah, look at that rock. Oh. Nice pipe. Nice sized pipe. I don't really know what it is. But just glad to get it out of the water. That's the Detroit Princess. It does tours for everybody that wants to tour the Detroit River, and I believe it goes all the way out to the lake. It's pretty interesting. I think it's been retrofitted. I believe it used to have the wheel in the back of it to turn it. Very nice looking ship. Let's get this magnet back in the water. Hopefully we get something interesting. Just clicked on something and it's coming in slowly, but holy bubbles it's making. Holy bubbles. What could it be? Let's see. Oh, don't go against the wall. This looks like an anchor chain. Woo! Look at that. A huge anchor chain. Wow. That is awesome. That is awesome. Well, this gives you an idea how long it is. Yeah, wrap it around my throat. Yeah. You guys are funny. That's pretty cool. Seaweed, or what do we call it? Yeah, a couple nails, a couple rocks. That chain was pretty interesting though, that's for sure. I'd like to find more of that. Bar here? Don't know. Lots of salad. Do without the salad. Definitely. That's it. Well, it's interesting at least to get it out of the water. Alright, I feel like I got some weight on this one. What? Oh, what do we got? Oh, it's on the top of the magnet. Look at that. Look at that. You ever seaweed? Sitting on top of my magnet. That's interesting. Alright. Holy chain. Rusty was getting stuck with his magnet with it, but it wouldn't stay on his magnet. So he grabbed the Titan and pulled it up. Good job there.
So you know, I'm not rusty.
Glenn, the rusty relic. Well, so that's pretty much it. I don't know what that is either. It's round. There's a little hook thing here. Lots of rocks. Nothing too exciting today, but you know, it's a beautiful day. It's a good day to get out and enjoy the weather. That's part of the mission, right? Thank you very much for watching. Greatly appreciate all you guys are doing. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. I'd love to talk to you. Alright. Some salad. That's interesting. Got like a washer on it or something right there. And small tin plate there. Part of a fishing lure here. Part of a fishing lure. Screw. Couple nails. Alright, I got some weight right here. I don't know what it is yet, obviously. Oh, it's a big pipe. Actually, it's a gun barrel. It's a gun barrel. I think so. Looks like it to me. Yep. That's a gun barrel.
It is. Shotgun.
That's a shotgun barrel? Nice. Way to go, Scott. It won't fit in my shadow box. Yep. There's a sight there. Yep. That is sick. Awesome.
Turn into a hatch pipe.
There you go. Yeah, I like that idea. Not too sure. Titan is heavy as it is. Into that barrel. Alright, this is a piece of asphalt with some wire going through it and a small black pipe nipple. That's it. Hey guys, we're all packed up. It was a good day with Rick. Gramps is grumpy. And Glenn, he's already, oh no, he's behind his truck. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Thank you very much for coming out. What you take out of the water, please take with you. Let's keep this area clean. Thank you. Peace.